How to download VSDC video editor on your PC. What's up everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to easily download the VSDC video editor on your PC. But before getting started, don't forget to hit the like button below and subscribe, and let's begin. The first thing you need to do is simply open up your web browser and then search for VSDC download. And once you have done that, you'll see this link right here, download VSDC free video editor. You can click on this link right here, and then from here you have multiple options to download from. So you can just click on download video editor for Windows, and it will start downloading the installation file. Just wait for it to complete. And once the installation file is downloaded, you can simply go ahead and open it up, and it will ask you to download the application. So just click on yes and click on OK. Now you can set up your application. So click on I accept the terms and agreements, tap on next again, choose your file destination. I'm just going to go ahead and choose it somewhere else. So I'm just going to go ahead, move it to D drive, and then from here I'm just going to head over to program files and then click on OK. Now tap on next again, and then you should be good to go. So tap on install now, and it will automatically download the application. So that's pretty much it, guys. I hope you found this tutorial helpful, and I'll see you guys on the next one.